So after I activated the triggers to 10:11, I not received the notification till 11 for this certifier validator. But when I check in the pending task table, the task validation admission form, the recipient is bonus environment and belong to it. But for the bonus, not receive the notification for the trigger. And I also try login for the second certifier. Okay. I login as certifier validator, take the certifier validator, and check in the my task. Okay, I also received the task candidate admission form and check also in the total RNCP pending task table. There are two task validated admission form for each certifier validator. And I check in the mailbox. Okay, and within this is receive 2 and 11. Okay, for this certificate validator, after triggers 2 and 11, I receive the notification. 2 and 11. On to login tasks. Adding TC admin. So to make sure the notification history, for to search. Okay, and you send it to the one certified validator, even though in the FA6 professional have two user that have user type certified validator.